Now, what did she say?
No, that he has talked about turning the American military on the American people.
Now, hold on for a second. Bitch that talks from both sides of your neck. Wasn't it your current administration, your current office, your DOD director that issued a declaration for the military to use its force against its own American people on the day before the storm hit North Carolina? It's right there, isn't it? I mean, I wasn't born last night, but it seems like to me everything that you're accusing of him of doing, you're the one fucking doing it, right? For sure. Now, this is retired fucking Colonel Douglas McGregor, all right, who is shoot ass, beat ass, killed ass, fought for his country, bled out, led thousands, if not millions of men. You know, there's somebody behind this dude with a wheelbarrow that walks behind him to carry his balls because they're that big, okay? Decorated hero. Don't know much about him, but he has a podcast. He gets on this podcast and he tells them, he says, look, I've been going up to North Carolina and talking to these people, these congressmen and legislatures, these senators, these state senators, about this Department of Defense weaponry to control the weather, right? He ought to know something about it, right? I mean, he's been in the shit. He's retired, right? Military colonel. Yeah. And he says the mutual consensus between me and the people that are been elected to lead and govern, right, and support. Let's get real, motherfuckers. The idea of you being in that position is to give of yourself to your own fucking people, right? Hallelujah. The mutual agreement is that the Department of Defense used a weather scale weapon against its own American fucking people. Not just in North Carolina, folks, but our brothers and sisters, right? We like to think we're an adopted family, right? That, you know, the children from, the white children from the Red Hills and the little brown children from the Red Hills, like Martin Luther King said, that they can one day get together. Well, the day is here. Hallelujah. And it don't make a damn who you call God, because thank God there's some Muslims up in Canada that got a million-man march together when all us Christians were walking talking about Jesus saves, just give it to God. Well, listen, motherfucker. I'm a Jesus freak from the Old Testament. David and Samson and Solomon and, you know, those dudes that had swords. That's the kind of Christian I am, right? And I do believe in Jesus. Hallelujah. But I like to read from the Old and the New Testament. And here we are on this day with high-ranking military officers that have everything to lose, right? Standing on the doorstep of the Congress and state capital of North Carolina with God-honest, dick-swinging, red-blood fucking Americans. And they all agree that this was crimes against humanity, like COVID, of its own people. Do you know what the rumor is? That all them celebrities in Hollywood wanted to do the right thing, right? Tell the Democrats, fuck you, we've had enough of this weirdo shit, right? Had enough of your communism. And that's when the P. Diddy thing broke out. And now they're all controlled. And they changed their name. You can't get up on TV. You can't convince me that there are some actors that I really like that are that fucking stupid. They're controlled. And this has been in play for fucking decades, right? And here we are on the forefront of blatant fucking truth, man. Black and white, like the gospel. Hallelujah. And everybody knows what to do. And here's what everybody's doing. I got your 6. Where's it going to jump off? I'll be there. I'll be there November the 2nd, Bakersfield, North Carolina, with a loaded trailer. Convince me that you're really about it. If I had 1 per 1,000 Okay? That is 1,000. That's 1,000 stallions per million, all right? That would mean if I had 1 per 1,000, I would have 1,000 per fucking million. And there's 300 fucking million motherfuckers in the United States. Now get your abacus out or your fucking calculator and add that together. That would be 300,000 motherfuckers like-minded like me in Bakersfield, North Carolina on November 2nd. Prove me fucking wrong. Make me fucking lead you. I'll be there. Hallelujah. I'll quit fucking school. Stop what I'm fucking doing. All right? And when I come out of that motherfucker, guess what? It'll be in an urn. With the fucking Star-Spangled Banner and a flag and a fucking women and children and kids that just want to be like me. So let's get it on, motherfuckers. Fluent fucking English.